YouTube has been hiding your content from you, not by accident, by design. And the people making those decisions, they're counting on the fact that you don't know what's even happening. Well, now you're going to know. Now, I've been doing this long enough to know when something is wrong. And right now, something is very wrong with how this platform treats people like you. I'm not talking about a glitch. I'm not talking about a technical bug that they're going to fix in the next update. I'm talking about choices, deliberate ones, made in boardrooms by people who will never watch a single video on even this channel. And today I'm going to name it out loud because that's what we do here. Here's what changed and when it changed. For years, when you opened YouTube, your homepage showed you videos. I don't know if you remember, that was really cool. Long ones, thoughtful ones, the kind that actually take the time to explain something properly, the kind that you actually want to watch. Well, now that's gone. YouTube has quietly, and I mean quietly, no announcement, no explanation, reduced the number of long-form videos on your homepage to almost nothing. Where you used to see 8 or 10 full videos, today you're lucky to see 2 or even 3. And the rest of the screen is now shorts. 10-second clips, fast cuts, just absolute noise. You didn't ask for that, and nobody asked you. And here's the part that made me stop and sit with it for a while. Research, real data shows that adults over 55 are YouTube's most loyal, most consistent viewers. You watch longer, you come back more often. You actually pay attention. And YouTube's response to that loyalty was to redesign the entire front door of the platform away from what you want. That's not an accident. That is a choice. Now, Marcus Aurelius wrote that the true test of character isn't what you do when things are easy. It's what you do when the system is working against you. Now, I want to be careful here because some people hear stoicism and they think it means to sit down, be quiet, and accept whatever happens. And that is not stoicism. That is surrender wearing a toga. What stoicism actually teaches is this: be clear about what is happening. Name it honestly and don't dress it up. Don't minimize it. Then act on what you can control and stop bleeding energy on what you can't. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to name exactly what's happening, and then I'm going to show you what you can actually do about it. I want to be straight with you. This isn't just happening to you as a viewer, it's happening to the people who make content for you. I've seen creators, people with 500,000 subscribers, people who've built real communities of real human beings who trust them, say they can no longer make a living on this platform. And that's terrible. Not because they got lazy, and it's not because their content got worse. It's because YouTube changed where and how it shows videos and quietly drained the traffic to anyone making long, thoughtful, educational content. 500,000 people chose to follow someone, and the platform made it hard for those people to see their work. And I'm one of those creators. My views, like a lot of people in this space, have taken a real hit. And I could just sit here and just make the algorithm happy, pump out shorts, chase trends, and turn this into a highlight reel of nothing. Or I could do exactly what I'm doing right now. Tell you the truth and trust that you can handle it. So here's what I want to say directly to YouTube. And I know they won't hear it, but I'm going to say it anyhow, because someone should. You have tens of millions of older adults who come to this platform to learn, to stay connected, to feel less alone in a world that already moves faster than it should. They trusted you with their time, which at any age is the most valuable thing a person has. And you are making quiet design decisions in meetings that they'll never be invited to make their digital lives even smaller. I'm not asking you to stop innovating. I'm not asking you to ignore younger users. I'm asking you to acknowledge that your older users exist, that they matter, and that a platform reaching 88% of adults over 55 has a responsibility that goes beyond what some engagement dashboard says on a Tuesday morning. The Stoics understood something that Silicon Valley keeps forgetting. A system without virtue is just a machine. And machines, they don't care who they run over. All right, here's where I stop being upset and start being useful. Because being upset without a plan is just noise. Number one, YouTube recently added a setting to turn off shorts in your feed completely. Now, two, stop waiting for the homepage to bring your favorite creators to you. Go directly to their channels, subscribe, hit the bell. The algorithm cannot bury what you go looking for yourself. And three, when you find a video that helped you, leave a comment, share it. Those actions are signals. They tell YouTube this content matters. You have more power in this than they want you to realize. 4, and this one matters most. Talk about it, not just online, at dinner with your kids, with your friends, with anyone who will listen. Because this conversation about how technology treats older adults is happening in places most of you will never see. It needs to come out into your world. Now, there's a concept in Stoic philosophy called sympathia, the idea that we are all connected, that what diminishes one of us diminishes all of us. So when a platform quietly decides that your time is worth less than a teenager's, when the digital world gets rebuilt around people who aren't you, without asking you, without telling you, that is not a small thing. Now, I built this platform on one belief, that you deserve to be treated with dignity in a digital world. And I will keep saying that out loud on the record for as long as I am doing this, even if it makes the algorithm uncomfortable. Now, if this hit home for you, share this video. Send it to someone who needs to hear it. And leave me a comment. Tell me, have you noticed your feed changing over the last few months? I read every single comment and I will respond. See you soon.